before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. So guys, I just discovered another platform that allows you to generate AI videos using Grok 1.5 completely free. So at the time of making this video, not a lot of people know about it, and that is why I am bringing it to you guys. As you guys know, anytime I discover something like that, I share it here on my YouTube channel so you guys can just quickly get into it, start creating videos before a lot of people get to know about it. Most of these platforms do not give you access to these AI tools forever. So if you are into AI content creation, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out each time I drop another video showing you guys another way to access the most powerful AI tools completely free. And also, I just created a Telegram community for you guys, so if you want to join, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the video description down below to join. So with that said, I want to take you straight into my laptop screen here and show you guys step by step how to use this platform. All right guys, so to get started, all you need to do is to go over to this platform. The platform name is called OiiOin Ai, and I'm also going to leave the link in the video description down below. So take note of the logo right here. Make sure you access the right website, and don't forget the link is in the video description. So once it takes you here, just go ahead and click on this one. So once you click on it, it's going to take you right here. So all you need to do is to come over here and create your account. Now there are two ways to create your account on the platform. The first one is email, but if you want the easiest one, just go ahead and click on login with Google, and it's basically going to use your Google account to sign you up. So once you click on it, it's going to take you here. Click on the Google account you want to use. All right, so once you tap on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. So over here, they're asking you to choose your role for a more detailed tutorial and better result. I'm just going to go ahead and select anything right here. It doesn't matter. All right, so after all of that, it's going to load up and take you right here. So this is the home page. You can say good morning director, and over here you can see immediately you sign up, they give you 200 credits. Now another good thing about the platform is that they give you free credits every single day. So you can see here daily free bonus 60 credits. So you can get 60 credits every single day and continue generating your videos. So let's go ahead and get our free credits. I'm going to go ahead and click over here. All right, so this puzzle is going to open. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and match this puzzle here. So just drag this right here. I'm going to drag it and match it with this one, and boom, we've gotten our 60 credits. So you can see it says you have 60 credits expiring within 3 days. Please use them soon. So the 60 credits they give you every day actually lasts for 3 days before it expires. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on got it. Now you can see that we have 260 credits. Now there are lots of AI models on this platform, including Grok 1.5, which we'll be using for free. So let's go ahead and explore the AI tools and see how much it costs to generate videos with them. So I'm going to come over here and click on agents. And if I click on agents here, you can see they have AI image generators. They have AI video generators here, and you can actually generate images here for free as well. You can also generate videos here for free as well. So under the AI images, you can see they have GPT image 2, which is one of the best AI image generator right now. They have Nano Banana Pro, Mid Journey. Now if I go ahead and click on video right here, you will see they have Grok Imagine 1.5, which we are going to be using in this video for our video generation. And they have Seedance 2.0 Pro, but this one is not actually free. You can see right here they have Seedance 2.0 Fast. This one is also not free. Gemini Omni is free here, so you can use Gemini Omni on this platform for free. And if you scroll down here, there are other AI tools, but most of them are not free. Clink 01 is free. Seedance 1.5 Pro is free. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be selecting Grok Imagine. So once I click on it, you can see here it is now selected. And you can see free creation, which means I can use it for free. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead, click over here to do some settings. So this is where you set the aspect ratios, and this is where you set your duration. So the longer your duration, the higher the credits you'll be using for that video generation. So for example, this is currently 40 credits, but if I click here and increase it to 6 seconds, you can see it's 48 credits now. So if I keep on increasing, you can see 10 seconds video will be 80 credits, and if I go up to 15 seconds here, I'm going to consume 120 credit for 15 seconds video. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave it on 5 seconds. And the resolution here, we are going to leave it on 720p because that is the highest. But if we bring it down to 480p, you will see that we'll be consuming just 20 credits to generate the video we want to generate. But usually 720p is the best, it's a sweet spot, so we are going to leave it like that. Now I'm going to come over here and paste in my prompt. Alright, but before we do that, we need to get our images so we can animate them. So to get my images, I'm going to come over here to Google Flow. A lot of you guys know about Google Flow right now. It is an AI tool that allows you to generate AI images for free. Alright, so once you sign up, it's going to take you here. So all I'm going to do is to come over here, select on image, then I'm going to select 16:9. Select Nano Banana 2 for my image generation. So I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT. I already have my prompts here on ChatGPT to generate the image. So I'm going to copy it, go back right here, paste in the prompt. I'm going to select that I want 2 images so I can select which one I like. So here I'm going to click on it and you can see the 2 images are now generating. Alright, so the 2 images has been generated as you can see it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the best one here. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here and download it. So all I'm going to do is to click on it and download it. Alright, so next I'm going to come over here, click here, then I'm going to select the image, click open and upload it right here. Alright, so next I'm going to come back here to ChatGPT and copy my animation prompt. So this is basically the prompt I'm going to be using to turn that image to video. So after copying it, I'm going to come back here, paste in the prompt. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and click on send. And as you can see right here, our video is now generating. So let's go ahead and give it some time. Okay guys, so the video has been generated. As you can see, it's right here. So let me just go ahead and click on it. If you want to upscale the video, you can still upscale it. If you want to trim it, you can click here. If you want to regenerate the video, you can click here. So now let me go ahead and download the video so we can see the results. Alright, so to download the video, all you need to do is to hover your mouse here on the video, right click on it. I'm just going to go ahead and download the video and it has been downloaded. Now let's go ahead and watch the results. So you can see how the quality of the video came out very good. You can see the camera movements, the lip sync, and the sound itself is incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and create 2 more scenes for this particular script. Alright, so for that, I'm going to come back to ChatGPT right here and copy scene 2. So this is basically a story I told ChatGPT to give me so I can generate. So after copying my second prompt, I'm going to come back here to Google Flow again. And what I'm going to do now is to click here and click on add to prompt. Now the reason why I am adding to prompts here is because I want my characters to be the same. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the second prompt right here and generate the image. So I'm going to go ahead, select the image. So after that, I'm going to go ahead, click here. You can see the video right here. I'm going to click on it, click here to download the video. So once again, let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Hello, what happened?
Who is calling? Is everything okay?
Alright guys, so let me go ahead and create the last scene of the story. I'm going to come back here to ChatGPT, scroll down here to scene 3 and copy the scene 3 prompt to generate the image. So I'm going to come back here to Google Flow, click on add to prompt again, paste the prompts, generate another image. Alright, so the third image has been generated. So I'm just going to go ahead and download any of these images. I think this one is the best. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. So next I'm going to come back here, then upload the image, come back here to ChatGPT, scroll down here to scene 3, which is the celebration. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it, go back right here, paste in the prompts, and you can see the credits we are using is 48, and I'm going to just go ahead and hit send. Alright, so you can see the video has started generating. So let's go ahead and wait for the final results. I'm going to come over here and click here to download the video. Alright, so the video has been generated successful. Let's go ahead and take a look at it.
We made it!
Thank God!
Okay guys, so you can see that all the videos came out perfectly well. I'm going to put everything together and show you guys the final result.
Dinner is ready.
Hello, what happened?
Who is calling? Is everything okay?
We made it!
Thank God!
If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification. I will see you in the next one.